Hey guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are gonna try a new deep conditioner by Mo Knows Hair. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know how you use this product. So the product I'm going to use is by Mo Knows Hair. It's actually been out for a while. I think since maybe 2019, 2020, probably even older than that. But I've never used it before and I've always wanted to use it. So we are going to use it today. I wanted to come on camera and show you how my hair looks. This is my hair 2 weeks. Yeah, basically almost 2 weeks. It's gonna be 2 weeks on Monday of the hairstyle that I previously had with a perm rod braid out style. I just rebraided it like every day, almost, or every other day. Even did like stretching styles to like maintain the hair, and even sometimes just kept my hair in braids and like put a wrap on my hair. But this is how my hair looks. My hair is still soft. It feels really good and everything, but today I wanted to prep for a new protective style. So I'm kind of wanting to do a protein treatment because I did blow out my hair when I did that style. So we are gonna do the Mo Knows Hair curl restoring treatment, and it has quinoa protein, mangongo oil, and mango butter. For sure, I like mangongo oil. I use it in another deep conditioner. I think one by Miel Organics. I think that's the one. I'm gonna put it on the screen if I'm correct. But I think that's the one I'm talking about. And I loved mangongo oil. Like, any products with that is for sure a good for me, a do for me. So this is supposed to restore elasticity to strands for smooth, defined, moisturizing curls. So this is how my hair looks. It looks frizzy. We could work on some definition, but I did stretch it out and I want my curls to come back. So I am gonna go ahead and wash my hair. And I am gonna wash it with my Eden Body Works moisturizing shampoo. This is with jojoba oil and monoi oil. So I am gonna use this. I've had this this lasts me a long time. Like, a little of this goes a long way, and it leaves your hair moisturized, not dry, but it does clean your hair. So I am gonna use this today to wash my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and put some curl restoring treatment on it. It says to leave on for 7 to 10 minutes under a heated cap or on a steamer or hair steamer or anything. But I'm probably gonna leave it on maybe for 15 to 20 minutes because I know my girl is, this is a black owned brand and stuff. She knows what she's talking about because it's her line. But I'm just trying to make sure because I did just stretch out my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna shampoo my hair and I'm gonna come back and put this on my hair. All right guys, so if you made it this far in the video, again, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified on my next video. I am just going ahead and sectioning my hair right here, making sure my hair is sectioned off so it can be easier as I apply the conditioner to my hair. So I did divide it into 4 sections. It's just the way I usually do it. And I am going to start with this back section. So this is our product that we have. It's kind of thick, but not too thick. It does feel really creamy and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and take a good amount and apply it to my hair. So guys, what you're about to hear me say is like one of the craziest things. Like, y'all see my face? I was in shock, in utter shock. But I'm gonna let y'all listen. Oh my gosh. I just barely put I barely put some of this on my hair. Like, look. I barely did a little dent. Barely. Like, I barely took any out. Like, literally, a little of this goes a long way. Like, okay, I'll put this much in because I wanted to get all over my hair. But I'm barely taking any. Literally, I'm barely taking any. It's kind of, it's pretty tangly, but if I take my time, I'm taking my time. Literally, my hands, my fingers are running through. Like, this is taking no time to run through my hair. Like, yeah, I got a decent amount of tangles and stuff, but it's taking literally no time to detangle my hair. No time at all. Like, I'm in total shock right now, bruh. Oh my gosh. I'm in total shock. Because I didn't even use that much. Like, look at it again. Barely. I'm gonna do a little more. Do like this much. Because I am doing a fourth of my head. I want it to be distributed evenly, but you know, it's not even taking that much to get it throughout my hair. Oh my gosh. Like, this is crazy. I mean, it's not crazy, it's just I've never used products like this where it's so easy to detangle, and I did not detangle my hair before because I don't usually detangle when I am shampooing my hair, and literally my hands are going through. And then just look at that curl definition. Oh my gosh, this Mo knows how. Exactly. Especially detangling hair. Like, she know how. I'm in total shock. Total shock. Like, my hair is detangled now. Okay. I'm going to put it in smaller sections and just twist it up to make sure it's detangled a good amount. I can never do this usually. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Girl, I need to go ahead and stock up on these hair products. Cause she know how. Like, I know it's a protein treatment, but like, look at my twist. Oh my gosh. I am in total, not disbelief, but I'm in total like shock. Like, yeah, I'm getting snags, but once I like kind of take my time of getting the tangle out,